So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to prepare pumpkin punch. So firstly, what we want to do, we want to go ahead and remove the skin from the pumpkin and cut in small pieces, okay guys? And we're gonna cook this pumpkin and we're gonna allow it to get cool. So now that our pumpkin has been cooked and cooled down, we're gonna go ahead and pour the pumpkin inside the blender, including the water that we cook the pumpkin in. Okay guys? So now that our pumpkin is inside our blender, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add some oats. Then from there we're gonna go ahead and add some cinnamon. And we all know that pumpkin and cinnamon is just absolutely amazing. And we're gonna also add some nutmeg. Then after, we're gonna go ahead and add some vanilla. You see guys, this one is gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay, this is good. So now we add our vanilla. I'm gonna go ahead and blend. I'm gonna blend for roughly 1 to 2 minutes. Wow, look how beautiful it is guys. This is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some condensed milk for my sweetener. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend again. And then our pumpkin punch is ready guys. And this pumpkin punch is best served chilled, okay guys? So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some in my glass and have a taste. Wow, look how creamy this is guys, and the color is just absolutely amazing. Wow, this is beautiful. Yummy.